Hello and welcome to SchoolTonic. Through this video, we will learn how to generate report based on mark sheet, that is a generic mark sheet report. The generic mark sheet will help us to view all the entered marks against all the different exams as well as exam categories. For this, click on Reports followed by Mark Sheet Generic. From this window, select the session name, the class name, the section name as well, and by default the exam category would appear as all. If you choose all in the exam category, then you'll get to know or you'll be able to view the marks entered against all the exam categories as well as exam names. See here, there are the list of the students who belong to section A of class 1, and you can also sort by name, roll number or admission ID. Let's choose admission ID. So if you choose admission ID, then the reports would be generated on the basis of the increasing order of the admission ID. Alright, so you can see the list of the students here according to the admission ID, and now you can click on this symbol which says print. If you click on it, then all the reports of all the exams of the students would be generated. So let's click on it, and the notification says that the mark sheet generation is a time consuming process. It may take few minutes to generate the report, so please do not press refresh button or back key. Click on OK, and the reports based on all the exams would be generated. So you can see here that the reports of all the students based on the exam categories and all the exams have been generated. The first one is Jessica Henry, and all the details regarding her are provided here. You can see here that under the exam category formative, the exam name is annual and the marks obtained according to the subject name is also given, and also the grade name. In the footer, you will see the total of the annual exam, and this would show us the total of the formative exam. Alright, if you scroll down, you'll see that also the exam name under summative category is shown here. These are the subject names, these are the maximum marks, these are the obtained marks and the grades, and the annual total is 349. And also you can see here that the subject names under exam half yearly is also appearing here, and their maximum marks, their obtained marks, the grades of the student as well, and here you can see the total of the half yearly exam. This is the sum total of all the figures here, and again you'll get to know what is the total of the summative exam. So under summative there are two exams, annual and half yearly. The total of annual was 349 and that of half yearly is 365. That sums up to 714. And in the end, you'll get to know the grand total of all the marks obtained in all exams. That means the total of formative and the total of summative would appear in the grand total. In the same way, you can scroll down and see all the reports generated for all the students. Moreover, if you want to generate the report for single student, then you can click on this symbol next to the student name and you can click here. That would generate the report of a particular student. See, this is the report generated for a single student. And if you want to generate the report on the basis of exam category and exam name, you can also do so. Say, I'll choose the exam category as summative and the exam name as annual, and then I'll click on this symbol. Then the reports based on the exam annual, which comes under the exam category summative, would be generated. See, these are the reports of a single exam which is annual. Alright, see all the reports of all the students of a single exam, and also the result or the report based on a single category. Choose here annual and then click on this symbol. And now you can see the reports of the formative exam, that is formative annual. Here you can see the exam name is annual and the category is formative. So for this particular student in the annual exam, this student has scored a total of 158, and these are the subjects, the maximum marks and the obtained marks. And if you want to sort the list of the student according to the name or the roll number, you can do so, and then the list of the student would appear on the basis of the order that you have chosen. And this is the refresh button or the reset button. You can click here and this fields would be reset. You can then choose the session names again, the class name, the section, and again all the list of the student would appear here. In the search box, you can search for a particular student. Say I'm searching a particular student and it's highlighted here, and you can then click on this symbol to generate the report of the exam chosen. Thank you very much.